what is token due diligence? In summer 2022, I've been going around to different conferences and speaking to different VCs and asking them, how do you do token due diligence? The answer that I got was that they do due diligence in the very traditional sense. Understanding the team, background founders, product market fit, which I get super important. At the same time, it's important to remember that in Web3, we have a new component called tokens. We need to do due diligence on this component as well. What is the token like? How is the token structured? How does the token allow the product to succeed? Yes, product market fit is about understanding the moat of the product and how the product will be solving problems. At the same time, you have to understand how it's going to solve the problems operationally, and that is your tokens. So today I want to talk a little bit about token due diligence. I realize nobody knows how to do token due diligence. It drives me nuts sometimes, but this also shows an opportunity for us to discuss how to do token due diligence. And I want to go back to the key framework that we've always used in economics design. It's the economics design framework. We look at three components: market, mechanism, and token design. These are all the various components that's involved to design the economics of this model. In market design, we look at what is the market structure of the protocol. We look at who are the participants, why would they want to come in, why should they come in, and are there any incentives to bring them in, and are there users that we want or users that we do not want. In mechanism design, here we're looking more at a little bit more about the rules, how the tokens are governed, how the DAO is governed, how treasury is being managed, not the distribution of tokens in there, but just how is treasury managed, what are the different ways to encourage utility of the token in the system. And lastly, in token design, we're going to dive deeper and we want to do the due diligence of how is the token inflated, how is the token being used, how is the token's transaction rate, how is the token related to other components, other actions, other value creating actions in your ecosystem. Are tokens an incentive? Are tokens a means of payment? Are tokens a way to get additional value in the long run? These are all the various parts of token due diligence that we look at, that VCs should look at, that projects should look at, that users should also look at when their tokens being involved. So hopefully this gives you a very high level view of what tokens are, how tokens come into play, and how to do token due diligence. In the next few videos, I want to dive deeper into understanding what token due diligence is, how to do that. Do we need to create really complex Excel models to test them, to run simulations, to run scenario analysis? Or are there some ways that we can get started in a light level, in a very high level to understand how to do token due diligence? So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!